My name is Moses, and today I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF file for free online without using any software. So let's start on by following these simple steps that I'm going to show you. Open any web browser and search for PDF Escape. PDF Escape. PDF Escape. So on the PDF Escape, you can see that there are so many free features for you. Yeah, many of them. But today I'm going to show you how to edit it free online. So click on the free online. Upload a PDF file. So as you can see on top here, you can add text, you can white out, add image, you can free draw freehand, you can add link, you can form field. So let's maybe I want to add another title and remove this one. So you click on the whiteout. Then after that you add text. Amazon product. Can bold. And then product. You can add link. Like google.com. So you can add image if you want. So you can upload any image from your. So you can add maybe that's my image. You can add your image. After doing all that, you can download your file and save it. So please guys, subscribe.